All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. We're going to keep this clean. Touch gloves now if you wish to. All right, let's do this. Fight.
Sit low, range, range. Range. Range.
Let him come.
Don't chase. Build. Nine. Get the ankle. Breathe, relax.
Alright, vai tu solo, zabigaj na ganiu.
Hit the ankle.
Hit the ankle.
Okay, play guard. Play guard. Bend the legs. Bend the legs.
Ej, 30 sekund. Khabib, 30 sekund. 30 sekund. 30 sekund. Молодец. Молодец.
20 seconds. 20 seconds. Calm.
Stop.
Recover. You know the shots get slower as the rounds go on. That was his absolute best there.
Deep breaths, relax.
No stand up. Everything for the takedown. Everything you're doing. I don't care what anybody says. I need you to stay on track. Do not stay in front of him. Listen to me. Do not stay in front of him. Keep doing Cain Velasquez style. You understand me?